You're using Perplexity AI wrong and missing out on search techniques that could 10x your research productivity. Most people treat it like basic Google, but Perplexity Pro has hidden features that research professionals and power users swear by. Here's the problem. You're probably typing simple questions and accepting the first answer you get. You're not leveraging source filtering, you're ignoring the focus modes, and you're definitely not using the advanced prompt techniques that separate casual users from research ninjas. According to Perplexity's usage analytics from December 2025, less than 15% of users actually utilize their Pro features effectively, which means you're sitting on untapped potential. Let me show you 8 game-changing techniques that will transform how you search. First, master the focus mode selector. Click on the focus dropdown at the top of your search interface. You'll see academic, writing, math, and other specialized modes. Academic focus specifically searches through scholarly databases and peer-reviewed sources. According to recent documentation updates, this pulls from over 200 million academic papers. When researching market trends for your business, switch to academic focus and watch the quality of sources dramatically improve. Second, use source-specific searches. Type site, followed by a specific domain in your query. Want only information from Harvard Business Review? Type site HBR.org Artificial Intelligence Trends 2026 and Perplexity will exclusively search that publication. This technique works with any domain and gives you laser-focused results. Third, leverage the Collections feature. Click the Collections tab in your sidebar. Create topic-specific collections like AI research or marketing strategies. Every search you save to a collection builds context for future queries. Perplexity's AI learns from your collection themes and provides increasingly relevant results. Per the latest feature update in January 2026, collections now support collaborative sharing, making this perfect for team research projects. Fourth, master advanced operators. Use quotation marks for exact phrases, minus signs to exclude terms, and the OR operator for alternative searches. For example, search machine learning tutorial or guide beginner. This finds machine learning content that's either guides or uses or logic while excluding tutorials and beginner content. These operators turn Perplexity into a precision instrument. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily and you won't want to miss our upcoming deep dives into AI productivity tools. Fifth, utilize the Ask Follow-up feature strategically. After getting initial results, click Ask Follow-up and dig deeper with specific angles. Instead of starting new searches, build on previous context. Ask what are the limitations of this approach, or how does this compare to competitors? The AI maintains conversation context and provides more nuanced answers than isolated queries. Sixth, leverage the image search integration within Perplexity Pro. Upload screenshots, charts, or diagrams directly into your search query. According to the December 2025 feature rollout, Perplexity can now analyze complex infographics and data visualizations, then search for related information or contradictory data. This is incredibly powerful for fact-checking or expanding on visual content you encounter. Seventh, use the Sources panel strategically. Don't just read Perplexity's summary. Click individual source numbers to see exactly where each piece of information originated. The Sources panel shows you publication dates, author credentials, and domain authority. This helps you evaluate information quality and find additional reading material. Smart researchers always verify claims by checking multiple sources from this panel. Eighth, master the Rewrite and Copilot features for different output formats. After getting search results, click Rewrite to transform the information into different styles. Need it as a business memo? Executive summary? Technical documentation? The Rewrite function adapts the same research into whatever format you need. The Copilot feature, launched in Perplexity Pro's January 2026 update, goes further by helping you create presentations, reports, or action plans based on your search results. Here are 3 pro tips that separate beginners from power users. First, use temporal modifiers in your searches. Add phrases like "since 2024" or "latest developments" to get the most current information. Perplexity's real-time search capabilities, enhanced in their recent infrastructure update, can surface information from just hours ago. Second, combine multiple focus modes in a single research session. Start with academic focus for foundational research, then switch to writing focus to help articulate your findings. This multimodal approach gives you both credible sources and polished output. Third, use the threading feature for complex research projects. Each follow-up question creates a research thread that maintains context across multiple searches. You can return to any thread days later and continue exactly where you left off. According to user behavior analysis from late 2025, power users who leverage threading complete research projects 40% faster than those using isolated searches. The key difference between casual and professional Perplexity use is intentionality. Casual users ask random questions and accept surface-level answers. Professionals use focus modes, build collections, verify sources, and create research threads that compound over time. These techniques work because they leverage Perplexity's AI architecture properly. You're not just getting answers, you're building a research system that becomes more valuable with every query. Remember, at TechNavigator Pro, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. Whether you're researching for business decisions, academic projects, or personal learning, these Perplexity Pro techniques will transform your information gathering process. Subscribe for more advanced AI tutorials and let's master technology together.